Since joining the 3D digital design program, I've grown tremendously, from work habits to sticking to the plan even though it might not go as planned. What sparked my interest in 3D printing was definitely the real-world application and the potential that it has to be, a really big opportunity in the world. After graduation, I believe that I will have a good opportunity for myself to make it out, either modeling, animating, or 3D printing. It's a great school, and I would suggest that anybody come here. I would do it all over again in a heartbeat.
I chose to go to NBCCD because I've always been really interested in art and drawing. I've always been an artist. I would recommend the Foundation Visual Arts year for anybody thinking of coming to NBCCD because you get to try a little bit of everything. It's getting you set up for what you want to go into while also letting you try everything else. Comparing my first day here to now, I think I've grown quite a lot, like immensely. And I think that my needs have been very catered to by teachers. I think they're all really kind and dedicated to each person's individual success. I feel very cared for. I think they all really want me to succeed. I definitely feel really prepared. I feel like I've learned so much.